Hi everyone, we are at Vuong Plaza today, and today we'll take Schindler Lift. Anh chữa cháy à? It's fire lift, still a passenger. Let's go 7, 6. Yes, I know. We only go one way, so let's get a cab view. Very nice door. I like this door. Here we are 6. And goes out. Door is open. What is that? And here we go down. One ride. I don't know what was that. $300p. Here we're at B1. We'll go out. We want to get a little disturbing. And next up, we are at Vuong Plaza, and we'll take another lift. Let's go. Ooh, red button. Here, this is a passenger lift now. Main lifts. Here it is. Let's go to 7. Now we are at a main lift. And here's a cab view. There's this door this side. And this door this side. Screen. My dad. And then model. It's a 300p. Here we're at 7. Let me take this one ride. For one ride. Wait, there's no 4 in here. Let's go G, shall we? Let's go G. Oh. Okay, let's go up. Here we're at G. Ooh. We're closing. And that's it. Vuong Plaza Lifts. Let's go. Here is, oh god, firefighter lifts, but is it broken? Shall we press it or give it a tour? Oh, it's too crowded. What's going on? Is it here? Is it working? Last time it said it works. And then we get to G. But we'll review about this one. E4A. Nice doors. Oh, here it is, it's coming. Oh, that's crowded. That's about it. The other side. Go near it. Okay. Oh. Okay, so there's the other side. Oh, that's security. Okay. Well, it's a nice, see, a nice shot too. And then, so actually it's working. Well, I got one up. Okay, so let's talk about, okay. Here's living. I did just use it, but just ride one time. Oh, still a lot of people. And then for 7, 2 doors. The capacity here, 15 person, 1,150 kilograms. Schindler 300p. Used to be, it's not, actually this model actually been in my dad's office. I've been modelized to ThyssenKrupp for some reason. Oh, this light over here is not on. Oh, gee. Oh, Schindler logo. And there's old Schindler logo. Go 7. Oh, I have 10. There's. I like this Schindler. Oh, only a G? Come on. Okay. D-line. Now we're at 5. I like Schindlers. Your front seat. Is that a mouse? Your front seat, the TV is right here. For some reason. Let's go outside. Bye. Okay, Vuong Plaza time. Oh. Go B1. Now spread. Cannot see it. Maybe it's a 300p. Oh, it used to go G. What else? So I have a little bit issues. My clip is too short. So let's talk about this. I'll go down. Let's get a cabin view. My dad. Red floors. Here, D-line fixtures, D-line buttons. No sound, no try. Go free. Go up. Look at the detail here.
Chưa đừng bấm đăng lên đó.
No, it's locked. Okay, let's go down B1 again. These things are locked. So that means you used to go to 7, 3, G, B1, B2. Okay, understood. What is that noise on the elevator? Free. And let's go review another elevator section. Okay, so let's review the next lift. There's another lift. Wait, nice try. Oh, no try. We won? Wow. Red button. D2 M line. D2 buttons. Red Schindler LED indicator. Used to go all the way to 7, but now it's locked. It used to go to 7. I like the chime here. Here it is. 3, 2, 1. What just happened? The call just canceled. That was a not great idea. For Schindler 300p lifts. Oh, another lift just come. Let's go and then, okay. I like door close and that's it. This, oh, is actually another lift. Okay, so let's just take a view of this lift for a little bit, and then we're done. 300p. Okay, bye y'all. Hi everyone. Today I recorded from Vuong Plaza, and there were 2 zone passenger lifts and 2 fireman lifts, and the total is, I think, 7 or 5, 7 lifts in the mall. So I hope you guys enjoy,
including firefighter.
including 2 firefighters lift. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.